Kwistori sanamhlanje abanye bazothi isitha did the right thing, abanye bazothi isitha si-wrong. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, I don't know. Asikale. Once upon a time there was a man. Sizombiza ngo-Willie Simmons? No. Sizombiza ngo-Bra S. Understand ukuthi uBra S once upon a time wasebenza wabe yisosha, waye kube yisosha uBra S, wabuyela ekhaya, wahluleka ukuthola imisebenzi, kuningi okwenzeka, but at the end of the day, uBra S wayithola eseyiphara, esethanda lezi zinto ey'phafuzwayo. Fast forward one day wavuka ekuseni eqalekile, nama-cravings, and so wathi no man, uthi ngenze uplan. Wavuka wagqoka wa-right, waqede wahamba emgaqweni, wagodla uBra S, ecabanga uplan ukuthi uzoyitholaphi le mali le. Wathi ethi uyasisaveya uBra S, ethi uyaqalaza, wabona nangomuntu ulahlile, and lo muntu uyabona ukuthi uyamsedusa nalo wallet wakhe okuqumbile ephaketheni. And so uBra S wabona ukuthi no man, this is the plan. Angishone kuyena lo muntu lo, ngimsebenze, ngithole le mali, ngibe right. And so wakekela uBra S, waiting for the right time, the right moment to strike. Walinda waze walithola ithuba uBra S. Wathi eseyitholile ithuba, he pounced, waqonda ngqo kwisitha, wasibamba, wasibhekisa phansi, wasibamba. Nesitha sazama safaka upondo, safaka ishumi, safaka upondo, safaka ipondo, safaka ishumi. Awukuthi uBra S akadlali. Wathi leqe, wathi lawa phansi, wafaka isandla lapha ku-wallet, wakhipha imali, wathi hhayi-ke ziyakhala. After finishing his mission, uBra S was just walking, very happy, azi ukuthi right now uyothenga aphafuze. Suddenly uthi uyabona, isitha is walking beside him. Waxakeka, waqinisa imashi. Wathi uyabona nesitha isiqinisa indamashi. Wavele wagijima uBra S, wagijima uBra S, bambamba. Bathi bembamba, isitha safaka u-left, safaka u-right. Wathi ethi uBra S ezama ukuvika, kwangenzeka lutho, wavika, isitha sithi nje siyathatha wena sikuyise ejele. Let's go back, asibuyele emumva. Who are we talking about? We are talking about uWillie Junior Simmons, who was born ngo-1957, who grew up e-Enterprise, Alabama, USA. Understand that he grew up poor, dropping out of high school and later serving in the military army. He became wathanda izinto ey'phafuzwayo after eyeka i-military. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and understand ukuthi at the age of 25 in 1982,